yeah, the meet we're going to is Armature Works. Rides by the river. If you're from the area, Tampa Bay area, you obviously know this meet. It gets packed, man. Like, I'm already an hour late. Well, not an hour. It starts at 8 o'clock. I try to be there by 8:30 just because I don't like being the first car there. I like showing up when there's already stuff there. So that's me. So yeah, I'll be about 30 minutes late for my schedule. But, you know, just a quick highway drive. Oh, Lamborghini. Wow, how dare you? This guy's blocking hard, man. Dude, that Lamborghini's gone, bro. There's no way I'm catching up. He is gone, man. Traffic. Where? Traffic. Who? That is the one thing about Lamborghinis. I don't really like Lamborghinis. Matter of fact, I'm gonna say it. I don't even like supercars like that. I've always been a built over bought person. Could be coping because I don't have money. But I don't know. I just like simple cars that you can just build and make powerful. Like, I like tuner cars. I don't really like out the box cars. Plus Lamborghinis, they just look like pizza slices, all right? Some people, when I was younger, you know, Need for Speed, Asphalt 8 on your iPad type, young. I get it, they're appealing. But I don't know. I just don't like them anymore. Ferraris, same deal. I don't like Ferraris like that. I'd say the only supercar I actually like are Porsches. Dang, I see him way up there, man. He was moving and grooving. But I mean, if you buy a car like that, you're obviously not gonna sit in traffic. Let's keep it a buck. Yeah, he is up there. Yeah. Things to look for this meet. I'm mainly just looking for 3 cars. And it's 3 cars that I plan on having. I'm looking for, obviously, GR86s and BRZ second gens. It's always nice to see second gens. Bro, what the that's crazy. Y'all see this? That's crazy. But yeah. Second gen BRZs or GR86s for that matter. GR Supras and 350Zs. I have yet to see a clean built 350Z at one of these meets that I go to. Like, I never see them. I know they're out there. I just never see them. As far as second gen BRZs, yeah, no, you never see those either. But yeah, I'd say there's a fair amount of Supras at these meets in Tampa. I mean, I wasn't really into Supras until like 2023. I mean, obviously Mark IV, but I wasn't too crazy about the Mark V. But I don't know. I think that's the car that grew on me the most. I did not like the way that car looked, but now it's literally gonna be my next car. Crazy how that works, right? But yeah, it should be pretty good turnout. My boy's already texting me that there's a crap ton of cars this meet, so it's gonna get busy, man. bruh. People already leaving?
Go past the stop sign. Then at the next one, turn left.
Holy shit. Generation. Tees too.
Did you ever watch this?
Those OGs.
I hope.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully it'll print out.
Yeah, right. I'm on track.
About that for longevity too, but
I got one car with a blown motor out.
yeah, right, exactly. You got that other one, yeah. What was that issue then?
So that one it blew up at.
How you doing, bro?
Good.
You like the car? I have a BRZ.
Oh, do you? Sweet. Yeah, we let it fun.
I know, it's great. Best car for the money, honestly.
Agreed. Yeah, if you don't want to go straight line fast and just want to have some fun in other ways, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a handling
It's not
guy.
a straight line fast car.
Yeah.
Oh shit! All right.
We just, it's all dressing. There's no mods for performance at all.
Is that the Greddy intake?
Well, yeah, it's the
Grim speed?
Yeah, the Grim speed hose. That's I guess 3 or 4 horsepower. Nothing,
Yeah.
And the filter, same thing. So it's got. It's got. No, we didn't. We left that in. So just put a K in there. So 5 horsepower.
They say if
That's
you
it
take
so
the
far.
charcoal filter.
I have a 24 in there. Yeah, it's what I do. I saw yours, nice. I'm gonna check out the Oakland. See. In person, it's normal size.
Yeah, it's almost like driving a, I hate to say it, like a Ultima, bro. Like, it's titanium.
40 roll, that's not fair. You're not slick, sir. Not slick. This looks like a 997, right?
keep